Look, I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. Taken for granted, ignored, overlooked, underappreciated. We have a big, big problem, ladies. First, you've got to get mad. I want you to get up. You know what? Get up out of your chair. Go to the window. Open your door, stick your head out, and yell. I ain't gonna be cooking